Assalamualaikum, grade 2, how are you all? Today is 24 December. I am your teacher Fatima. So grade 3, we were on chapter 10, weight, and today we will do page number 125. Our topic is estimating weight. So grade 2, open up your books, page number 125. 125. Okay, grade 2. You can see what is the weight of the packet of the sugar. You can see here is a packet of sugar is given, and you have to observe the objects and then have to tell the weight of the things, and you have to guess, estimate. Estimating mean by observing the weight of the size and weight of the objects, you will tell the weight of the objects. So here you can see the packet of the sugar. When you put the packet of the sugar on the weight machine, its weight is about 1 kg, 1 kilogram. So now have a look of some other objects. Here are the two things, papaya and pumpkin. So you have to tell the weight of both of these. Pumpkin weight is about, pumpkin ka weight kitna hoga? It will be about 2 kilogram, and the papaya weight will be half kg. It is about half kg. So now come and put all these things one by one on the weight machine to observe their weight. So when we put the pumpkin on the weight machine, the weight needle pointing toward 2 kilogram. So it means the weight of the pumpkin is 2 kilogram. We will write here 2. Again, the next item, the weight of the grapes. When we put the grapes on the weight machine, the weight needle pointing toward point 0.5. 0.5 mean half kg. 0.5 mean half kg. You can write 0.5 or 1/2, half kg. Okay. So next, weight of the papaya. Now put the papaya on the weight machine. The weight of the papaya is pointing toward 1 kilogram. So we will write it is 1 kilogram. Come to the next page. Find the weight of the following items to the nearest kilograms. Open page number 126. Find the weight of the following items to the nearest kilogram. Now you have to see the weight of all these items and have to tell the weight in nearest kilograms. You have to tell in nearest kilogram. The first one, the weight of the can of the paint is closer to, can you see here in the picture? The weight needle pointing towards 1.5 kg, 1.5 kg, closer to 2 kg, more than 1 kilogram but less than 2 kilogram. So its approximately weight, we will consider it to nearest kilogram will be 2 किलोग्राम. हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसका वेट जो है 1 किलोग्राम से ज़्यादा है, क्लोज़र टू 2 किलोग्राम है. ओके, 1.5 किलोग्राम है, 1 किलोग्राम एंड हाफ, 1.5, 1.5 किलोग्राम एंड ओनली हाफ किलोग्राम लेस देन 2 किलोग्राम से हाफ किलोग्राम लेस है. So we will approximate this weight to nearest kilograms. Nearest kilogram will be 2 kilogram. So we will say the weight of the can of the paint is closer to 2 kilogram than 1 kilogram. Okay, it is closer to 2 than 1. So approximate weight will be 2 kilogram. Okay. The next B point, chicken. You can see the chicken on the weight machine. The weight of the chicken is closer to, look on the weight machine, look at the weight machine. The weight needle pointing towards 3.5. Can you see it? It is 3.5. So it is closer to 4 kilogram than 2 kilogram. We will say closer to 4 kilogram than 3 kilogram. Its approximate weight to the nearest kilogram will be 4 kilogram. So grade 3, come to the next point C. Here are some tomatoes. We will put on the weight machine and then we will observe the weight of the tomatoes and we will estimate also to the nearest kilograms. The weight of the bag of tomatoes is closer to, look at in the picture, it is closer to 2.5. The needle is pointing towards 2.5. सो जब वेट नीडल जो है वो 2.5 क्लोजर टू 3 किलोग्राम एंड मोर देन 2 किलोग्राम, कितना है 2 किलोग्राम से मोर है, क्लोजर टू 3 किलोग्राम. सो वी विल से weight of the tomatoes is closer to 3 kilogram than 2 kilogram. So approximate will be 3 kilogram. And the last one, the weight of the school bag is exact 3 kilogram. It is exact 3 kilogram. You have to write the 3 kilogram. When the weight is between the kilograms, so that time we need to approximate the weight. Okay. When it is exact 3 kilogram, we don't need to approximate. We will write as it is. The weight of the bag is 3 kilogram. Thank you, grade 2.